The colorful arrowhead frogs, small in size and giant in beauty and venom. Arrowhead frogs get their name from the fact that some species have been documented to be used by some indigenous tribes in Colombia to poison darts. Arrowhead frogs, family Dendrobatidae, are small frogs. Most species vary in size from 1.5 to 3 centimeters when adults, super colorful and found in the tropical forests of the neotropical region, including the Amazon. These animals have diurnal activity, moving on the forest floor where they feed mainly on ants, and in smaller numbers on termites, mites and other smaller arthropods. Arrowhead frogs get their name from the fact that some species have been documented to be used by some indigenous tribes in Colombia to poison blowgun darts for hunting animals such as monkeys. Can you, Arnold? The potent venom is manufactured by these frogs from their diet, and therefore the importance of food for these animals goes beyond obtaining nutrients to maintain themselves, as the Dendrobatids, as the frogs of the Dendrobatidae family are called, obtain alkaloids, substances, potent chemicals used by the frog in the defense against predators, through the diet, mainly of ants. Even frogs bred experimentally in laboratories and with a diet low in alkaloids, do not have alkaloids in their skin and are less toxic. But in nature these animals are extremely toxic, and they insist on demonstrating this. And I'll explain how. In biology we learned the concept of aposematism or aposematic/warning coloration, which is nothing more than an adaptation that some species acquire throughout evolution to defend themselves from predators. These aposematic species have bright colors that already make it clear to the predator that they do not have a good taste, unpalatable, or that they are poisonous, as is the case of Dendrobatids, which abuse this strategy, with species with the most varied colors: red, blues, oranges, yellow and even lime green. The coloring of Dendrobatids warns natural predators, keeping them away, but they attract human predators, who take advantage of the beauty of these animals and their venom. This is because one of the biggest threats to the conservation of these animals is the trafficking to create these frogs as pets, these animals being among the most targeted species in animal trafficking in Brazil, according to the Chico Mendes Institute. In addition to the striking color, which makes these animals very charismatic for illegal breeders, the alkaloids present in the venom of these animals have great pharmacological potential, with more than 200 types of alkaloids having been described from Dendrobatid species. The complexity of Dendrobatids goes beyond the specialized diet for venom synthesis. These animals also have a complex behavior, the species being territorial and with parental care. That's right, the papal and mama frogs take care of their tadpoles a lot. And they developed several strategies for that. But that's a subject for our next post, so stay tuned to find out more about the amazing arrowhead frogs. Hope you enjoyed today's post. Hugs from Anaconda to you, and until the next amazing animal from our lush Amazon.